Hi.
Hey, so where are we at, Xander?
Playing hide and seek with folks.
Yeah.
Except they're winning, and I'm not.
Yeah, so we're doing a quickie update video. Just to let you guys know where we're at.
Go.
And valve cover is on and in place. We've got, I think, every single connector plugged in. No, there's one that we don't have plugged in yet.
Where? Come on,
This one. But there's other stuff that needs to go back on, so we're not 100% done. Okay, we threw 2 people out of here. Don't make me throw you out of here now. So we've got a little bit left to do. I still got to replace this hose here going down because it's hard as a rock. It really is. So we'll put that one on, get a new one on there. Get our last little bit plugged up and in place. And I think we're pretty much going to be done for the day. I really do. We're doing our Christmas party a little late because we've all had things we had to do.
You mean our Kwanzaa party?
Yes, our Kwanzaa
party.
It is Kwanzaa.
It technically is until the 1st of January.
And it's Hanukkah, too.
Yep, at the same time. The 12 days of Christmas. Oops, sorry.
It's Halloween. Don't let a calendar control you.
Yeah, exactly.
It is Halloween?
It's actually my birthday.
All these holidays are a social construct. None of them are real.
Exactly. Like money.
Yep.
Money's just paper, but we believe it has value.
Yep. So, on that
You like
note...
it when I hand you that paper?
And the room goes silent. See, notice how he directed that towards you, and he never makes a financial statement towards me. Do you see the look on his face? He's like,
Is it still in your pocket? That, envelope full of money?
Yeah. What?
Okay, on that note,
It's
what do we
I
say?
clocked out at noon.